Hello, today I'd like to discuss about the divine consciousness. According to scholars of divine consciousness, we human beings are spiritual beings having a human experience. This means that what made us alive, keep us alive, that we are able to breathe, is a force and energy of a soul. And this soul or energy is weightless, formless, invisible, and untouchable. What we might call the soul, the ntsuj, is perfect. It doesn't need any modifications or improvement. And what some research has shown is that before a person dies, they weigh the body, and let's say it weighs 150 pounds. And when the person dies, they weigh the body again, it still weighs 150 pounds. So what is we call life is something that is invisible, and it just transforms from one form to another